Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this little leaf. I have been adding it to fruit bags recently and I've been having a lot of fun with that. This is just a quick little leaf pattern that you can add to any kind of project you want where you desire leaves on it. So what you'll need is any weight yarn and appropriate hook. Today I'm using a weight 4 cotton, and I will be pairing that with a 5mm hook. You will also need some scissors and a tapestry needle to weave in your ends. So let's begin. So you're going to start by making a slip knot. Place that on your hook, and then you're going to chain 14. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. After you have your 14 chains, you are going to skip the first 3. You're going to yarn over twice because we are doing a triple crochet, and in the 4th chain from your hook, you will make 3 triple crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And then in the next stitch, you will make 1 triple crochet. And then again, in the next, you will make another triple crochet. In the next 3 stitches, you will make 1 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And then you're going to make 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. You should have 2 stitches left. You're going to single crochet in the next, and in the last stitch you will make a single crochet. You're going to chain 3, and then you're going to slip stitch back into the first chain you made, and then start to turn your leaf. We're still working in that same stitch. You're going to place another single crochet. And now we are working along the other side of our leaf, so we are going to mirror everything. So in the next stitch, you will make a single crochet, and in the next 3 stitches, you will make 1 half double crochet. And then you will make a double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then in the next 2, you will make 1 triple crochet in each of those. And then in the last stitch where we made those 3 triple crochet to begin with, you are going to make another 3 triple crochet. And then we are going to end this by slip stitching into the top chain that is right before the first triple crochet that you made. So just slip stitch, chain 1, pull up a loop, and then cut your yarn, and all you have left to do is weave in your tails. And that is the leaf with the tails all weaved in. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little tutorial featuring the leaf that I have been putting on all of my fruit bags. And if you'd like a tutorial for the fruit bags I make, let me know. I can definitely make one. Thank you for watching. and I'll see you somewhere else on my channel.